So this is your furnace, and this box here is actually known as your evaporator coil. That is a part of your air conditioner that removes the heat from the air and gives you cool air in your home. Although we're checking the furnace, it's critical that we check this evaporator coil. It looks very similar to a radiator in a car, and it is notorious for getting completely plugged up with dust, debris, hair, and all that good stuff. So we're going to check airflow across our evaporator coil. So I've made a hole here. We've still got our other probe here. So this is going to measure the difference between when air flows to the bottom and the air comes out flowing through the top. And so when checking it, these top two numbers tell us what our airflow is. So the top reads at 0.02, the bottom reads at 0.26, so we just got to subtract that. So we've got a static pressure or a static pressure drop across our coil of about 0.25, somewhere in there. So actually pretty good airflow, again, given the age of this equipment. But airflow is super important to measure. So now we'll go to the next step.